Welcome to Green Afro Global. Ideology by Akintunde Mansuru, GMG Guidance School, Batch 06, Group 4, Mentor Alexa. Contents: what is GMG? Ideology of GMG, how GMG works, rules of GMG, type of Mafro in GMG, bonuses. Green Mafro Community is a community of helpers created by a group of former MMM participants and guiders. Their main aim is to actualize the dreams of Sagi Mafrodi, and the community is to build on blueprints of its tenets. Green Mafro Global is a social network that joins who want to provide help with those who need help, and they transfer money to each other, peer-to-peer system. Ideology of GMG. GMG was created to fight the unfair financial system in the world, where the rich becomes richer and the poor are getting poorer, and to tackle world by providing GMG, where we can achieve financial freedom. GMG is unavoidable and superb. Rules of GMG. There is no promise and guarantee in GMG. Participants should participate with spare money. We donate our money to participants who joined the community that needs help. Only one account is allowed in GMG. How GMG works. GMG is a community of people providing each other financial help on the principle of gratuitousness, reciprocity, and benevolence. In GMG, you don't have to make contracts or pledge your property. There are no lenders or debtors. One participant asks for help and another help. Honest and kind needed. You declare to provide helpage in your personal office PO, after which your account is rewarded with an amount in Mafro. Once another participant confirms the receipt of the money from you, your PH request gets the status confirmed. Mafro status starts growing at the monthly rate of 30% or 50% growth stop at exactly 1 month for Mafro 30% and 3 months for Mafro 40% or 50%. Amount in Mafro increases every day from the moment you make a request to provide help, PH. For example, if you provide help of $10,000, you're rewarded with Mafro 30% in your PO. After the request is made, your Mafro immediately starts growing. 30 days later, $10,000 becomes $13,000 Mafro. You will be able to request help worth of $13,000. After providing help again equal to or higher than the previous help provided and paying 10% of the new contribution, you receive an order for providing help, PH, in your personal office. If you do not provide help within 48 hours after you have been matched, or your contribution is not confirmed within 48 hours of payment, additional may be added subject to the receiver's consent. Types of Mafro in GMG. Standard 30% contribution. The growth rate is 30% in 30 days. Crypto 50% contribution. The growth rate is 50% in 30 days. 3 months 40% contribution. Standard. The growth rate is 40% per month. You can get help after 3 months. Example, if you PH 1,000 in 3 months, you can withdraw 1,000 plus 400 plus 400 plus 400 is equal to 2,200. In other words, the growth on your PH will be 40% per month. If you decide to withdraw your fund earlier, for example, in 2 months, the returns of your PH will be recalculated and it will make up 30% per month. Growth rate is 30% per month. Recommitment 30% contribution. Example, 30% per month. 10% of the pH is matched within 12 hours and is supposed to be made to withdraw standard 30% contribution. You can create a GH request 30 days after you provide help and all the recipients confirmed getting help from you. Contribution. The growth rate is 50% per month on cryptocurrency pH, 20% and is supposed to be made to withdraw standard 40% contribution. You can create a GH request 30 days after provided help and all the recipients confirmed getting help from you. Registration bonus $20 if you contribute from $50 to $499. $50 if you contribute from $500 to $2,999. $100 if you contribute from $3,000 to above. Referral bonus. Referral bonus 10% for new money. For example, if you provide help of $1,000, you will get $100 bonus after that the participant takes out $1,500 and then provided help of $2,000. The bonus will be credited only for inputs or outputs difference, i.e. for $1,500, 1,000 minus 1,500 plus 2,000 is equal to 1,500. In total, the bonus will make up to $1,500 but not $200. Note that this bonus is subsequently calculated as highest pH minus highest DH plus new pH times 10%. Guided bonus. First level is 1%, second level is 1.5%, third level is 2%, fourth and fifth level is 0.5%. Frozen Mafro withdrawal. Participants get a defroze of 10% of their frozen Mafro in MMM from the amount of the contribution they make to the community. From the amount they make to the community. Defroze is released 12 hours after the contribution Mafro confirmed. You will get the defroze from each new contribution, but only for new money. For example, if you pH $1,000, you will get $100 defroze. If you take out $1,500 and then provide help of $2,000, the defroze will be credited only for input and output difference, i.e. for 1,500, 1,000 minus 1,500 plus 2,000 is equal to 1,500. In total, the defroze will make up $150 but not $200. Note that this defroze is subsequently calculated as highest pH minus highest pH plus new pH times 10%. Bonus for the video in the statement. Bonus of the video in a letter of happiness is plus 10%, plus 5%, or plus 1% of the amount among of renewed help. Thank to Mentor Alexa for your courage and wonderful job. Thank you very much.